Hi, I'm Mitch Burdick, and I'm here today to talk to you about dust extractors. So what is about dust extractors? Well, it's really about suction power. So we hear a lot about CFM, and that's important. CFM is your cubic foot per minute, that's your airflow. But suction power is really about the water lift. That's at pressure, and that allows the dust extractor to maintain its CFM through extended run applications, especially when the bags and the filters start to get filled up. So suction power is really the defining point, and that's the water lift combined with the CFM. So the Bosch system has 150 CFM combined with 97 inches of water lift. So it's that combination of the two items which provide the great suction power for the dust extractors. In addition, filter cleaning is really important. So what we're really talking about here is productivity at the job site, right? So productivity, you've got the filter cleaning, and it's all about extending the filter life and keeping this system efficient. So before we talk about it, let's listen to it. So what you're hearing there is a reverse airflow. So if this is your filter, dust and debris would come into the filter on the backside inside the dust extractor, and the reverse airflow actually pushes air from the top side through the backside, dislodging dust and debris the way it came in. So this is a really efficient system to keep your filters clean for extended filter life. That, and along with a good fleece bag, is for an enclosed system. So we got filter cleaning, but you need a really good filter, and when we're talking about the OSHA regulation, we're talking about HEPA filters. So the HEPA filters with the fleece bag, once again, a system to maintain productivity. So the bag acts as a pre-filter, which helps limit dust and debris from getting to the filter in the first place. The filter cleaning then actually is a great system to further extend the filter life. So we're talking about that kind of productivity. There's another kind of productivity the guys need at the job site. Well, at the end of the day, or maybe after a couple of days, you're going to have to change that filter. You're also going to have to change the bag. So with a little lever on the back side, the top of this pops up, and you have easy access to the filter for filter change out. And then with these two tabs on either side, pops up, you have easy access to the canister for the bag change out. So when we're talking productivity, it's about productivity at the application, collecting the dust. It's about containing the dust properly inside the canister, and then obviously with the fleece bag, it's an enclosed bag. The enclosed bag actually helps reduce exposure to dust and debris when you're actually removing the bag. And then the easy access. So all of those things combined help to make the user really productive. So a couple other things about the Bosch dust extractors here is you've got your on-off here, and then when you turn it to this side, we've got what's called power tool activation. And that's where you can plug a tool into the vacuum or dust extractor here, and then when you turn the tool on, it actually turns the dust extractor on. And then while the guy's working, when he turns the tool off, it actually will shut the vacuum off, but the vacuum will run for about 7 seconds. I said vacuum. The dust extractor will run for about 7 seconds until to actually clear the debris out of the hose. So this is really important for guys, you know, that you don't have to come back to the dust extractor and maintain or fiddle with it to help with the filter cleaning, and also to turn the vacuum on. So the other thing we have here is a variable speed, or what we call a power broker. This is when maybe you've got the tool plugged in with the dust extractor. This you can actually manage the amps, the amp draw from the dust extractor itself. And the other thing we have here on the front is this red button for auto filter cleaning. The system, you can actually disengage it on the dust extractor. Now, most guys are going to leave it in the on position, but there might be those times when you need to, and then you've got the easy on-off button for turning it on or off. So that is all about the basic functioning of the dust extractor. And those are some of the things what makes Bosch really special and even better versus the competition. And so what we've got here for hose management, we've got a nice sleeve fit connection for the nozzle, but it's also got these two tabs, and this can be removed. And then we've got a click fit. Now this is really important when you're connecting a dust extraction attachment, whether it's for a hammer or a grinder. This is for the dust port that's on the attachment. You've got actually a sleeve fit or the click fit system here. Now I'm going to show you both of them. This is our wall suction unit for drilling in concrete, and you just slide this in. As you can hear the positive click, so it's a nice secure fit. It's not going to come loose. But If you were going to use the sleeve or friction fit with a little bit of a twist inside, this actually is a pretty good fit. The clip fit system is the better system, but we have it both ways just in case. Some of our older dust extraction attachments actually have just the sleeve fit, so that's why we have both for the user. That combined with, we have the nice bungee cord here, which connects here. This is for your hose management for storage when the dust extractor is not in use. And so you say, wow, that's really cool. You've got a nice wide wheelbase for job site durability, but the durability really doesn't stop there. It actually starts there, and it actually goes into the quality of the construction of the dust extractor itself. What you're going to see with the Bosch system here is you've got a really heavy-duty plastic construction here, both for the canister and for the motor unit. And one thing to think about is that these dust extractors, yeah, we're talking about job site durability, but durability is about handling the harsh conditions at the job site. And the other thing we have here is this nice big flat surface. And that's really unique to the Bosch design, and it's really for job site storage, for the L-box system, and then the L-box you can snap in, and you can store accessories and other parts and components in there as needed. So the Bosch dust extractors, this is the VAC090A, the 9.3 gallon automatic filter cleaning. We also have a 14 gallon size, the VAC090A, also auto filter cleaning.